up, guys? This is Warhack from TrueGamerschool.com. Today we're going to be unboxing the Elder Scrolls Anthology, the complete condition of all Elder Scrolls products, from the original Arena all the way to Skyrim and its contents. Let's get started. Gotta have a knife to cut into these. Inside, this very nice dust jacket. Is an extremely exquisite case. It's got the Elder Scrolls logo on the back. Once we get into it, this thing folds. They won't make it complicated, as always does. Once inside, you have the complete Elder Scrolls experience. Inside, it's got the history of Elder Scrolls, starting with the Arena. Has the disc actually displayed separately in contents as well as screenshots from the game. This is Arena. Moving on, it explains the game details in general as well as a description. From Arena there was Daggerfall, and included with each game is its downloadable content. That will mean when we get to the next page, which is of course Morrowind. This is for PC as well. This collection was only available for PC. As you can see from Morrowind, it has its construction steps. You'll be able to design certain things, including with the game. After Morrowind, there's of course more Morrowind details. This is the DLC. This is Tribunal and Blood Moon. And it has screenshots from them separately and the contents that it added. After Morrowind, there's of course Oblivion. As a Game of the Year edition as well. So that means it'll come with Shivering Isles, Shivering Isles, Knights of the Nine. It will come with all the DLC that was included for PC. And of course, this is Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. Now this does come with Dawnguard, Hearthfire, and Dragonborn. This comes with everything released to date. Back here, just to the side, of course, have the pamphlet. Explains the security information. This very nice logo of the Elder Scrolls Online. Sign up for the beta. Also included in this very, very thick paper pamphlet is each individual map from the games. They are separate, each of them. We have the entire map of Tamriel. After that one, set this to the side. Moving on. Map of Vardenfell. After this one, this very large map is of course Nile Bay. Daggerfall. Okay. This is the other Providence of Citadel. This is of course from Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion. And finally is the more recent titles, maps. Of course, Skyrim. And these are very fine detailed paper maps that will actually showcase the various spots and towns of the games included. As you can see, they're very fine detailed and they're directly from Bethesda themselves. that's what you get. $79.99 only on PC. This is everything Elder Scrolls from the original arena all the way through Skyrim and its DLC, as well as the advertisement for the Elder Scrolls Online, which is coming spring 2014 to next-gen systems as well as PC. Stay with us at TrueGamerscore.com as we review the Elder Scrolls Online for all major systems this spring.